Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the question words in English. Why? Asking for reason or explanation for something. Examples: why are you so angry? Why were you late? Why was that glass broken? Why is the sky blue? Why are the leaves green in color? Why is the water blue in color in the pools? So, here we use why to ask for a reason or explanation for something. First one, why are you so angry? That means he is asking for the reason for his angry behavior. And why were you late? He is asking for the reason that he or she, why late? Why was that glass broken? That means he is asking for the reason for the glass to be broken. Next one. Why is the sky blue? He is asking for the reason of the sky is in blue color. So, where is the next question word? Here, he is asking about a place. Examples: where do you live? I live in Sri Lanka. Where are my socks? Your socks are under the table. Where is the moon? Moon is in the sky. Where were you last night? I was at the gym last night. Likewise, where is used to ask about a place. In the first question, where do you live? He is asked about his place of living, or maybe the village, or maybe the city, or maybe the country, or something else. Where are my socks? And when is the next questions? Asking about a time or date. Examples: when did you born? I was born in 1997. When will be the musical show? It will be on Sunday. When will be the world's end? I don't know. When was the last time that you were happier? I was happier last week. So here, when is used to ask about time, or maybe or a date or a time period. And first one, when did you born? That means he is asking about the time or the date of your birth. That means birth date. When will be the musical show? He is asking about the time or the date will the musical show will be occurred. So which is the next question word, which is used to ask about a choice or selection. Which is your favorite sport, cricket or football? My favorite sport is cricket. Which one will be the correct answer? The correct answer is the first answer. Which dog is the most beautiful one? Golden Rottweiler is the most beautiful dog. Which one of these dresses suit you the most? The blue dress will be the most suitable dress. So likewise, we are asked about a choice or selection using the question word which. And which is your favorite sport? Here we have to select between the cricket and football. Cricket or football. My favorite sport is cricket. Likewise, you have to select. And which dog is the most beautiful one? He is asking for the most beautiful dog. And which one of the dresses? Here he is asked about the most suitable dress. And we can use this which question word to ask about a choice or selection. Next question word is who. Who here it is used to ask about a person or people. Who is the best mother in the world? My mother is the best mother in the world. Who is the best friend? The best friend of me is Kamal. Who are you? I am a student of grade 10. Who will be the next winner of the Cricket World Cup? Sri Lanka will be the next winner. Likewise, who is used to ask about a person or many people. Both in plural and singular version, we use the question word who. Who are you? Who were they? That means we need to know more about they or them. And who will be the next winner? That means we want to predict about the winner country of the ICC next Cricket World Cup. Likewise, who is used to ask about a person or many people. And who are you? Here, who are you is asked to get into know about yourself. So, likewise, to get more information about a person or many people, who is used. Let's move into the next question word. Before that, please rewind the lesson again. Read the examples again and again. What is used to ask about something or about an animal or about a non-living creature? What is your future ambition? My future ambition is to be a driver. What will be the next question? The next question will be based about science and technology. What is your name? My name is Charitha Chandrasekhara. What were your O-level results? My O-level results were 7 A's and 2 C's. What was your worst dream? My worst dream is about falling down from a tree and hurting my back. So, likewise, what is used to ask about something or some incident or some activity you did or about an animal. So, in the first question, what is your future ambition? That means the hobby or the ambition, future hobby or the future job, future career is asked here. What will be the next question? The next question will be asked. So, next question word is how. Asking for help, method to do something, asking about someone's feeling or qualities. These are the purposes of using the question word how. How can I help you? I don't need your help. Thank you for asking. How are you feeling right now? How are you feeling right now? I am feeling fine. How did you come so early? I came by my racing car. How do you go home? I go home by bus. Likewise, people are asked for help or method to do something or about someone's feeling or about some activity using the question word how. So, how can I help you? Here, the person is asked for help, asked to do help from one person to another. And another question, how are you feeling right now? That means about someone's feelings here being asked. How did you come so early? That means the way of transportation is asked here. How do you go home? Another question to ask for returning home transportation method. So, next question word will be how many. It is used to ask about a count or quantity. How many people are there? How many students were there in the classroom yesterday? How many possible answers will there be? How many stars are there in the night sky? How many people are there? There are plenty of people. How many students were there in the classroom yesterday? There were only 40 students. How many possible answers will there be? There will be 2 possible answers. How many stars are there in the night sky? Thousands of stars are there in the night sky. Likewise, how many question word how many is used to ask about a count or quantity. Also, in the first question, how many people, that means the number of people are in the particular place is asked. How many students, that means the number of students in the classroom is asked. How many possible answers will there be, that means the number of correct answers. And how many stars, that means the number of infinite number of stars are there in the sky, that amount is asked as a count or quantity. So please refer again to these examples and the explanation. Next question word is how often. Asking about frequency, that means how many times. How often do you exercise? I do exercises regularly. How often do you go to tuitions? I go to tuitions weekly. How often do you watch YouTube videos? I watch YouTube videos daily. Likewise, the frequency is asked by using the question word how often. How often do you exercise? That means the frequency of doing exercises is asked. How often do you go to tuitions? He is going to tuitions weekly. That means once a week he is going to tuitions. So it is being asked by using the question word how often. Please refer the examples again and also refer the explanation or the definition about how often question word again. I prefer you to watch this video again and again daily in a particular time period when you are free. That will improve your English knowledge. So these are the all things I have to tell you about the question words, and thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more grammar lessons. My YouTube channel is English with Charitha. Subscribe my YouTube channel English with Charitha. Share the video with other friends, and please don't forget to click the black bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel English with Charitha. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more English grammar lessons English with Charitha. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more English grammar lessons. I am English with Charitha.